How to redeem a Sephora gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Vesnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem or use a Sephora gift card online. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. In order to redeem your gift card on Sephora, all you have to do is you can open up the browser, log into your account, and then head into the checkout page. Select the item that you wish to buy and then simply head into checkout from your basket. Once you tap on checkout, it'll ask you to enter in your payment details, right? You can see it'll ask you for shipping address and shipping and gift message and such. Down below you'll find payment method. On the payment method option, you can see edit option there. You want to simply tap on edit. Once you tap on edit, you'll be able to see payment method, and down below you can see add a gift card option. Simply tap on add a gift card and then enter in your gift card, the PIN number, and then select apply, and it'll be saved. You want to tap on save after you apply it, and then you can use it while you make the purchase on Sephora. So this way you can redeem a Sephora gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.